How to log in to Stockbee. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Stockbee Login. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the very first option that is Log In to Stockbee. You will then be led to the login portal of Stockbee. So, go ahead and fill in your login credentials. Start by entering your username and further enter your password, and if you have forgotten your login credentials, then tap on the Forgot Your Login Details option you see there and follow the on-screen prompts in order to recover your login details. Once recovered, enter your credentials and tap on the Login button, and with this, you will be logged in to Stockbee. So, this is how you can log in to Stockbee. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.